Hi guys, this is going to be a super short unboxing video. This is our first time ordering from Mountain Crest, so let's see how the plants look. We ordered 3 plants from Mountain Crest and it came with 1 bonus plant for free. So I would be unboxing 4 plants. This is the box the plants came in. It came with this little booklet. It's a care guide that gives you generic tips on how to care for succulents. This is the receipt. We got free shipping for this order, and the box is filled with packing peanuts. So inside the box there's another box, and this is where the plants are. So let's pull out the first plant. This plant is a Portulacaria afra Medio-picta. My husband wanted this plant. It's a very pretty plant. It looks like a smaller pinkish version of an elephant bush. The description in their website says that this is a large plant or large size. And the cost of this was $11.49. So the second plant is a string of hearts plant, and this plant I wanted. I've been looking for this plant but couldn't find it anywhere, so I decided to order from this site. It's pretty small, but it looks like it's in good shape. And this one costs $15.49, so it's not cheap. So this third plant I also wanted, and decided to go ahead and order from this site because it's pretty hard to find around me. And this is a Lithop or living stone. And this one costs $10.49. And this last plant is the bonus plant. It didn't come labeled, it just says bonus plant. This is actually a Haworthia cooperi. They don't tell you what kind of bonus plant you're going to get, so it's a surprise. I don't have this plant yet and almost bought one not too long ago, so I'm happy to have one in my collection. All the plants came very well packed. None of the plants were damaged and all were in good condition. The plants were a bit small, but we knew that prior to purchasing, so it wasn't a surprise. All in all, I'm satisfied with our purchases. The cost of each plant is on the higher side compared to how much it would cost if you buy locally or if you buy from Facebook Marketplace, for instance. But the plants were in good condition. The plants were all dry, which I like, and you can tell that they took the time to pack the plants really well. I would probably only order rare or hard to find succulents though because of the higher price, but it did come with free shipping. Thanks so much for watching this short unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if this is the type of content you want to see. I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Thanks so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Happy gardening! Bye!